Sit strong, feel powerful, and awaken your body's hidden energy with this instant relief seated routine from Motivational Doc. Rocket every movement in this routine is designed to ignite blood flow, eliminate stiffness, and supercharge your legs and mind, all while you sit. Leg, high, don't let poor circulation hold you back. It's time to rise, rebuild, and reclaim your strength. Glowing star, your body is your greatest weapon. Train it, fuel it, and dominate every challenge. Trophy, watch now, feel the transformation, and rule your health starting today. Fire, oncoming awaken blood flow, instantly discover how simple seated movements can stimulate circulation in seconds, sending oxygen and nutrients throughout your legs and body for instant vitality and relief. High voltage, you'd be amazed at how quickly your body responds when you give it just a little movement, even while sitting. The moment you start to move your feet, flex your calves, or rotate your ankles, you're literally awakening the flow of life inside your legs. That's right, your blood. Most people underestimate how powerful these simple motions are. They seem too easy, too small to make a difference. But in reality, they're like flipping a switch inside your circulatory system. Suddenly, the blood that's been pooling in your legs starts moving again. You can feel the warmth, the tingling, the energy coming back. That's your body saying, "Thank you for waking me up." Every muscle you contract acts like a mini pump, pushing blood back up toward your heart and brain. When you sit for long hours, that flow slows down, and that's when you start feeling heavy, tired, or even numb. But just a few minutes of mindful motion can reverse all of that. You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. You just need awareness and a willingness to move. So as you're sitting there, take charge. Start small. Lift those heels, pump those toes. Feel that rush of circulation coming alive. This is your body working for you, not against you. The more you move, the more you heal. And when you make this a habit, you're not just improving blood flow, you're reawakening your energy, your strength, and your life. Reverse the effects of sitting too long. Learn how this easy routine helps counter poor circulation, swelling, and leg discomfort caused by hours of sitting at work or home. Collision, we live in a world that keeps us sitting at the desk, in the car, on the couch. Hour after hour, our bodies are locked in stillness, and over time that stillness starts to take its toll. The muscles in our legs weaken, blood flow slows, and pressure begins to build. You might notice your feet swelling, your calves tightening, or that dull, heavy ache creeping in. That's not just discomfort, that's your body's way of begging for movement, for circulation, for life to flow again. But here's the good news, you can reverse it right where you are. You don't need to stand up or break a sweat. By simply engaging your legs, shifting your weight, and waking up those lower body muscles, you're already turning the tide. Think of it like unclogging a river that's been blocked for too long. The moment you open that channel, everything starts moving freely again. The oxygen returns, the nutrients flow, and your energy rises. When you do these seated movements regularly, your body starts to adapt. It learns to circulate blood more efficiently, to reduce swelling, to keep your legs light and strong, even when you're sitting. And the best part, the relief is almost instant. You'll feel that lightness, that sense of renewal, that spark of energy that tells you your body is healing. So don't let long hours of sitting define how you feel. You're in control. Break the stillness, move with purpose, and give your body the motion it's been waiting for. Strengthen your veins and arteries, naturally boost your vascular health through gentle, rhythmic exercises. that improve blood vessel elasticity and keep your cardiovascular system strong and youthful. Beating heart, your veins and arteries are like the highways of your body, carrying life's sustaining blood to every organ, every cell, every muscle. But when those highways get backed up, when blood isn't flowing the way it should, your body starts to feel it. Your legs may feel heavy, your energy drops, and even your focus fades. The good news is, you can strengthen these blood vessels naturally, and it starts with simple, intentional movement. Every time you flex your calves, tighten your thighs, or move your ankles, you're not just exercising muscles, you're training your circulatory system. Those small contractions squeeze your veins like pumps, helping the blood move upward against gravity. Over time, this action helps the walls of your veins and arteries stay flexible and resilient, improving your overall vascular health. The more elastic your blood vessels are, the easier it is for your heart to do its job. And here's something incredible. This doesn't just benefit your legs. When your circulation improves, your entire body gets a boost. Your brain gets more oxygen, your skin glows, your joints ache less, and your heart feels lighter. This is your body's natural repair system at work, responding to your movement with gratitude. You see, we often chase health in complicated ways, but the truth is simple: motion heals. Just a few minutes each day can strengthen the very system that keeps you alive and thriving. So keep those vessels awake, keep that blood flowing, and remind your body that it was designed to move.